Hello, in this video I want to talk about the MultiTag extension for Sketchup. Now on the screen we see a model of a house which consists of 3 buildings. The main building is a garage and an annex between them. Let's assign tags to the objects of this model to show how the extension works. The extension is called from the yellow icon on the toolbar. Now the main extension window is displayed. So, let's assign the roof tag to the objects. Select the roof tag in House folder in the tag tree and press the Save button. This is the standard functionality of Sketchup. Assign a layer to several objects, which extension is extend. Next, let's assign these 2 roof objects, that they belong to the hall. Add the hall tag to the roof objects. Now, when the hall tag is turned off, we hide the roof only for the main building. If we turn off the roof tag, we hide all roof objects that are marked on the model. Next, let's set that the walls belong to the main building. Save. When we turn off the hall tag, all walls are hidden. Now we assign a tag to all windows on the 2nd floor. Set windows that they are built into the walls, and belong to the main building and are located on the 2nd floor. Select the window tag. Save. Here they are all hidden from us, because we have the hall tag turned off. Turn off the level 2 inches tag, we see that the windows are hidden. Or if we turn off the window tag, the windows are also hidden. Let's assign tags to the windows of the 1st floor. Save. Now, turning off the window tag, we hide all windows. Turning off the level 1 inch tag hides windows on the 1st floor. Turning off the level 2 inches tag hides windows only on the 2nd floor. Or if we turn off both tags, hides windows on both floors. So now let's hide the 1st building, i.e. turn off the hall tag. We see that there are 2 doors left without tags. Let's assign tags to them that the doors belong to the main building. Assigned, and they disappeared. Now let's work with the annex. The annex has 4 walls, assign the annex tag to them. Save. Next, assign tags to the windows and doors of the annex. Turn off the annex tag. Annex is hidden. Turn on the hall tag to show the main building. We see that a hole has formed in the main building. I would have this wall to be common between the annex and the main building and displayed always when showed annex or hall. Assign a special formula to the wall, so that it applies to both the main building and the extension. So, add the hall tag Add a bracket and put an OR sign between the tags and close the bracket. Save. Turn off the annex tag and we see that the wall remains visible. Now is displayed either when shown the main building, or when shown the annex. The annex has another wall that is common with the garage. This wall is also indicated that it is common with the garage. Save. Now when we enable the garage tag, wall between the garage and the annex is shown. Assign tags, garage, and wall to the walls of the garage. Save. We have hidden the walls, but there are still doors and windows of the garage. Save. Remove the extra tag untagged. Now we see that we have hidden the entire garage. Show the annex. All the walls of the annex are shown correct. Show the main building. We still have a roof. Let's show the roof. We see that the roof is not connected to the garage and flying in the air. Connect this segment of the roof over the garage. We have the roof hidden. Let's assign the annex tag to the roof over the annex. For the main building, we early added the hall tag to the roof, and the roof for it is hidden. Show windows. On the first and second floors. Hide the garage. Door hiding the entire garage. Hide all the windows in the building. Hide all the doors in the building. Thus for such a complex model, in which there are several independent parts and there is a need to design them separately. For example, the garage area, and at the same time not be distracted by the rest of the building. We can hide unnecessary parts model and engage in modeling of the interesting part of the model. That's all. Thanks for your time and happy modeling.